back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a new and latest HP 14-inch laptop with a Windows 10-S. So a couple years back, I did an unboxing for this one 14-inch laptop. It's almost similar. So this one, I got it a long time ago for $2.99 from Costco. It was like $3.99 and then $100 off, become $2.99. So this was a pretty awesome deal. There's your power cord input right there, your network jack, and then your HDMI connector, and then two of the USB Type A adapter here, and 3.5mm jack for your headphone or your external speaker. There's a LED right there when you plug in the power cord. Then here's your USB Type C, and then a place for you to put a lock in there, and then SD card reader. And this one's pretty cool. This one has a light up keyboard. But also, anyway, this one was only like 4 GB of RAM, and then 128 GB of storage. All right, and you got the speaker right there. And this one's the i3 8th generation. So actually I purchased two of this, and the first time the coupon came out from Costco, or the first day, it has $100 off. So this one I got it for $349.99 plus recycling fee and tax, and then original price was like $450. So which is I was like wondering how come this one is $50 more. At first I thought because of the China trade war, and then tariff on this thing, it increases the price or something. But later on, after I got home and then I look at the spec, I was like, what? So let's go and then go over the spec real quick. This one has an Intel inside too. And as you can see, June 25th, 2020. Here you go, HP 14-DQ 1043CL 14-inch LT, i3 core -1005G1. This one has 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. So I was kind of shocked. For $50 more, I get the double of the RAM and double of the storage compared to the old one that I got previously. So here's the spec. It's an Intel Core i3 1005G1 processor 256 GB solid state drive, 8 GB of SODIMM DDR4 SDRAM. And this one does no optical drive. It's a Windows 10's home edition in S mode. 14-inch Full HD IPS LED display, 250 nits, And this one is a 3-cell 41-watt Henry. Then here's your UPC barcode right there, and all this recycle symbol. There's your big HP logo right here. So anyway, let's go and then unbox it and show you guys what it look like. So they come with this power adapter. It looks like the same one as the old one, so. All right, come with these 3 prongs. You can see it's fit into the old one, so yeah, so it fit in the old one. I believe it's the same charger. Exclusive for members, so only if you're a Costco member you get this. So I'll try to get the MacBook Air, try to look for a deal, and then the used one's about $600 to $700 for a used one in like a mint conditions. So I was lucky looking around at Costco and then found this. So let's go ahead and take this out. This must be a quick start guy. Yep. So I got the internal microphone, camera light, camera, wireless antenna, vent. What? This one has a fingerprint reader, touchpad, window keys, power button, memory card reader, audio out, headphone / audio in, microphone combo jack, and then USB Type-C port, USB port, 2 of them, HDMI port, and then a power connector. So it seems like it's the same as the old one, so except the fingerprint scanner. And right here's a gesture for your touch or touch screen, touchpad. This one is touch screen too? No way. What? I'm stoked. Question about the product. And then this one is Spanish. So this HP clear tape. And then there's a serial number right here. I'm going to cover it. So you see the white sticker, that's a serial number. So there's like an air ventilation hole right here on the bottom. And then two of the Phillips screw. And then two more right here on the front. In order to remove the bottom of the backing, you will need to remove these two rubber strips in order to reveal there's some more screws down there. If you guys want to upgrade the RAM or the hard drive. Alright, so the new one I'm going to put on the top. Let's give you guys a side-by-side comparison. So unfortunately, they removed the network adapter. So the new one doesn't have that anymore. And then there's a USB Type-C right there instead of on the opposite side. So imagine cover this. And there's your microphone, headphone combo right there. USB Type A, and then your HDMI. And then there's no more lock to lock your notebook or laptop. And then just a SD card reader right here. And those are the LED light for your power status and then your hard drive when it's running. So this one has a ventilation hole right here as well. All right, let's go and then open this up. And then this nice dust cover right here. So yeah, I don't think this one has a fingerprint reader. This one's the Intel iCore 10th generation. Got the big touchpad right here. So I believe this one is not touch screen either. So now I show you guys the difference. So this one, the keyboard right here, this section, it is in silver, and then the old one's in black. There you go. Okay. So this one's supposed to have a all-day battery life and precision touchpad. So the reason you have the S mode is to protect your laptop from spyware or malware. They will only allow you to install apps from your Windows store only. So, and the S mode also allows you to boot up this laptop faster and run smoother, and then allow you to use it, extended your battery life. Okay. You got the 4 of the rubber right there for the screen, so you get less impact. Check out the camera real quick. There's your camera right there with the LED when it's on. And then the microphone. Oh, and then there's more rubber piece right here on the left, and then right. Oh yes, let's see. So here's the original touch pad right here. There's left and right physical button right there. So for the new one, there's no more button. But it's almost like an Apple. You could touch down there, left and right. So that's the new one that sounds like that. Check out the old one. Yeah, almost sound the same. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.